Yes, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon and good evening.
Good morning.
Good morning, man. First question. Oh, we'll see that, sir. Goat. Sir, anyone took the trade goat? No, I don't know. Like, he was watching or no on the AV, sir.
Yes.
Share your chart and how you will take this trade on the 5 minutes if you want to take this trade. Yon, sir, anyone can try because I have already. Okay, now on 5 minutes, how you will take the trade, sir? On the five
Did you mean
minutes.
goat? Goat?
God, yes.
But I didn't. One second.
You can share.
No,
You
no.
can. You can draw your. You can draw it here.
Uh, all right.
Hmm.
So, so for me, maybe this one is a breaker block.
Uh,
Yeah.
uh. How how you will take this long? This.
This long.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because it's liquidity.
Correct.
This one liquidity. This
Hmm.
swap this one liquidity. This liquidity. This one demand zone maybe, or breaker block or order block.
You're telling all the things: breaker block, order block.
I, I, I'm speaking English, in my mind, another language.
Yes.
I
No,
try
no, no
to,
problem, sir. No, no,
yeah,
no. Correct, sir. So
yeah.
here, like, see, here when the market will be rejecting, right? Then we realize that yeah, the market is building the liquidity. So if any candle come and close stay below this, then we can try for the short. But yesterday, I told on 1 hour here. So this is the strong area, sir, where the market rejected. If the market comes here, for example, if the market comes here, sorry, from directly here, then we'll go for the long positions on the based on 1 hour. But on the 5 minutes, the market was started ranging here. It just took the liquidity and started moving down. And the both liquidity perfectly took, sir. Now this is the neckline. So just wait for the breakout, sir. So just wait for the breakout. So market obviously it's ranging now. So just wait for the breakout. Okay, maybe below this. So when it go for the retracement, then we'll find the trade. It could be from neckline or any order block nearby. From there, you can catch this trade. Because if this start moving a downside, okay, so listen this carefully. If any candle close above this with low volume, then there is high chances once again it can go for the retracement. Before that, we have point of interest here, correct? At least it can travel till this area here. If the market directly started coming down and if any candle closed below this with a low volume on 1 hour, directly market can go till this area, sir, in coming days, maybe next week or this week. So this is the daily time frame breakout. Anytime market can come to this place. Yes, sir. That could be 1 second. Yeah, now draw it, sir.
Bear flag.
Sorry. Yes, correct, sir. Yes, correct. Let's check on the 4 hours. Mhm. On daily time frame, it's looks like that. But one red candle, if you see any shooting star here or inverse hammer, next day you should plan for the short positions. And you know always when the market will be in the sell side, the usually market go very fast. Correct. So if you see any candle, right, next day you plan for the short, or else you just wait for the structure shift on the 5 minutes. You will get very good trade here. Until here, you can hold with the break even. This area. Okay, from here again we'll try for the long here or this order block. All right, and BTC. And every day I'll forgot about to talk about the BTC, sir. So 4 hours on 4 hours. So you can see this is here market is taking the rejection. Okay. If it start coming down, for example, the low volume, so directly take all this liquidity. Now in this area, where is 1, 2, 3? Higher time frame. 1 second. Yeah, just try here. Where you can see the 1, 2, 3, sir. Yes, sir. Correct, sir. HM. So the market, we have one wave here. So it can come till this place once again. If it start dropping, if any candle close above this with a low volume, then, but yeah. So see again technically, like what technically market is showing. So I'll talk about that. But let's see if this market started coming down, then yes, because there is nothing here. We have 50 here. So it can take just just it can give reaction here. So once again to join the trade. Correct. So now you just find where is the liquidity here. Once again, I'll just yeah, now show me. Hmm. That is very close. If it's drop, iki, correct. Yes, sir. So this all the liquidity, no doubt. These are very close, sir. Here it's very close. And this is also possible. But yeah, when we get the breakout of any trend line, so it will be a good movement. We'll get good momentum. So at least we can expect this. Let's see. If any news comes, then within one candle it will go and close above this. Anything is possible here. Okay, so this is what I want to tell. But gold, I'll explain in the quote. Okay. So here yesterday, sir, just go very depth, you will understand here. At this place, I'm sorry. So market was ranging. And here nobody can say that this is a ranging until we don't see the these kind of big range. So market was ranging. Finally, we just see how big green candle started. So we're getting started here. Correct? And people will enter, sir. The new traders who all trade, they'll enter. So finally they drop, correct? When they'll drop, so here you will realize that, okay, now the market is coming down. If the market takes the liquidity, then I'll go for long. Before that, your all trade will be a scalping. Why we should look the long positions here? You just check here. When
Liquidity has not been swept.
which one, sir?
But if you're looking liquidity long from here, all
Huh?
this liquidity here has not been swept because you're getting all the people buying the longs up
Yes,
here, but it's not going anywhere, just creating liquidity to come and sweep into this all up,
order block.
come and
Yes, sir.
mitigate. Yes.
Yes. So I was showing the see when the market dropped at this place, sir. Here, when it started coming down, how we should identify now the market? I should try a long or short. See, you should find the structure here. You internal, sir. See, when the market started coming, slowly it started moving up. Now, what we do, we'll mark the recent breakout. So we have the recent breakout. And I told you, if there is A small candle, take the small. And if you even take the full candle, you will get more accurate trades. To reduce stop loss, I use myself to reduce the candle size. Correct. If this is a 1%, then I'll say you that you should take full candle size. That full candle is your order block or breakout. So this is top on the high candle where we got the breakout. This is my area to look the long positions. So immediately, for example, immediately if I take the trade, for example, here, market came down. So when we realize, okay, the market is ranging. So here you should understand this place. This time, when the market started coming, right? When the market started coming from this place here, again the same place you got the morning star pattern. And why this area it's strong now? Jump into the 1 minute. Because whenever you see the market will come very fast, right? It will create some pattern there. At this momentum, when see the wave, sir, here everything is fine. It was ranging. But here the market started coming very fast. The same 5 minutes candle, it went up. So this here, so what we do, we'll mark a shoulder right here. It come near by shoulder. So where is your order block in this area, sir?
In what area?
Yes, correct. So order block and started coming, and we are not looking any short here. Okay, we're not looking any short. I'll just you realize, okay, now the market can go down. Now this is the time I should look long position, not short. 1 hour market on 1 hour, it's near the demand zone. Okay, so here when it came at this place, now when you get the breakout, like what Mr. P said, order block. This, for example, okay, assume that the market started going down. Okay, where is your order block? This. So where is our low? The same place. So completely scenario will change if the market goes down. For example, if the market started going down, then this area will not work, sir. Okay, assume that if a market started going down. So now we got the breakout. Where is order block? According to that, we'll see nearest order block here on the top. Then we'll go for the short positions. But here the looking why we was looking a long position because of on 1 hour, sir. So now if you want to safe trade, for example, you should wait for this break in. And you can take the trade from this area also because this is not the liquidity where the market was, the fresh liquidity was building at these areas. So which candle is this, sir?
He's engulfing.
Engulfing.
Yes, and volume
Low.
Low.
done. So you can take this trade here, stop loss below this, done. And this time, when you take liquidity, sir, this is not our target, sir. Just use break even, that's it. Because the target is clearly, I told you yesterday. We should know before itself, we should know where the market is going, sir. Then only you will get confidence whether I should hold this trade or no. So see, straightly the first liquidity, secondly. Took this, done. Now the market, if somebody took the short positions, he'll hold. If the fresh trade, we cannot take the trade, sir. We should wait here how it reacts. If the candle close below this, then done. Because now target is achieved according to 1 hour. Okay, let's talk about the sorry, sir. Sir, if any candle come and close below this, then the market can come this area, sir. Okay, I'll try a long positions from here if the market comes at this place, but this time it should break this level. If it failed to break this level, then market will fill this gap. Done. If the market took any resistance from here, then it will fill this gap. if the market goes above this in this way, then it will make a it will go till this area, sir. The two liquidities we have here, and it can go even now in during US session. So on this candle, we got ultra high volume candle. I don't look any long positions, but I'll wait for structure shift at least on the 5 minutes. It should close, any candle, it should close above this. If it comes down, then from this area, I'll try a long position. Yes, my target will be when it comes here, I'll use break even because the market can be sideways today. Yesterday it was very crazy, right? So I don't expect again to big target. Already market dropped more than 300 pips today. Sorry, 400 pips. So if I go for even the long also, the target will be here. I'll use break even and I'll just hold, sir. If I get this trade, if not, I'll just ignore. I'll trade during US session because the market is making a lower lows here. So for now, in the 5 minutes, I don't look any long position. Only if the candle close above this, I'll wait for the retracement. Then I'll try a long. Done. Yes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you have any doubt regarding yesterday's shakeout strategy, we'll discuss today during UA session.
I took the same trade on AI16 as what you showed on GOAT, Pramod.
Very nice. AI 16.
Yeah, I did the same as. Yeah.
It will liquidity order block started going. I'm so sorry.
That's right. Entry was here.
Okay.
Target was there. Done.
Done. Where is the buying and buy side, sell side liquidity, sir? Where is buy side and sell side strong liquidity?
What now?
No, before here, when you were trading the trade,
There.
buy
And
side,
there.
sell side, sell correct. And yes, now apart from this, where is the next liquidity? No, not this. I mean buy side.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, up there.
Correct. Why this? Tell me.
Because that's you had equal lows, equal highs, so it swept it and then it
Correct.
went down.
Yes, but when you mark here as a liquidity, we should be some reason. Like what you explain. You have to see this pattern, sir. This. So this is the same pattern. I mean, when the market
Oh,
will drop, so they'll
yeah.
go for the retracement trade, right?
Yes.
So this is the liquidity. Correct. So
Yeah.
this liquid. Correct. Very nice. You close it. And did you took any short, sir?
No, I was asleep. I just put my target was where I showed you. So I was asleep when it hit. So I woke up this morning with nice big profit in my bank, in my account.
Wow, very nice. So you can book the tickets then. Plan
Ramon,
your
if you got
wedding.
5 minutes,
Sorry, sir.
now if you got 5 minutes, I was wondering like what do you think about? And sorry for interrupting. I was just wondering about like what the kind of current move, not the past one, but right now. Like what's your take on this? Because for me it looks very bearish, at least for some time. So maybe there is no, yeah, exactly. So
Yes.
so it's not a safe trade until something like this happens, or maybe it has to even break this or something like that. Or is that correct?
No, you should look a short here, no long, sir.
Yes.
It's rejecting from the neckline. Yesterday I told you, like here, this is the
Okay.
neckline. Even it still didn't touch. Anytime it can go to sweep this liquidity also, sir. If you get any chance to take the long, you just try that. Because still it not yet touched here. It's just rejecting from this order block. If the market started going up, then this it will sweep the both liquidity. Then can go down. If the candle close above this, just change your direction.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Devi sir, come on. Should ask questions now.
No questions at the moment.
Okay, HM sir.
Well, if you want to take a look at Doge, we can do
Doge.
that. Yes, the dog coin.
Yes.
So in one day, I think it looks relatively good. I think that the area in here
Hmm.
is a good place. I'm seeing potential for triple
Long.
doji Morningstar.
Mhm.
Yes,
Yes.
so that's a possibility. In 1 hour,
Hmm.
in 1 hour, I see that it rejected. So I was consolidating for some time, and then apparently it rejected. Oh, bad drawing. Try to make it straight. So it
Sorry.
rejected from. Yeah, no worries, no worries. So it took some rejection. So it's probably reacting with some liquidity.
Sorry, sir.
And because now it break through this, the volume is low at the moment. There's still 35 minutes to go for the current candle, but in 5 minutes it doesn't look so good to go long yet. I think it's in the CPR pivot, but I don't know if it's too risky to enter like in that type of a move, or is it safe? Like not right now, right in this moment, you're having ultra high volume sell side. You're having nice candle with low volume, but yeah, that's probably something that should happen. So we'll see. But the 5 minutes for going along didn't look like in 1 hour 1 day. I'm totally bullish. But
Sorry, sir.
with yeah. So 1 day 1 hour totally bullish, but with 5 minutes I'm a little bit unsure on what should I wait.
So you can do one thing, sir. I'll just take this recent high 1 hour here, okay? Which is the
Yes.
recent high. So we got the breakout and the market came for the retracement. If any candle
Yes.
close with the low volume in any bullish candle, and when it comes outside this area, go to the 5 minutes, find the trade. Before that, you can
Yeah.
trade. You can try like on the 5 minutes also, like it was discussed
Yeah.
here, right? Based on this, you can try it here. But
Yeah.
yeah, 1 hour on 1 hour, if you see any bullish candle here, for example, you can try, sir. 1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Let me check. Yeah, because of the daily sub breakout area, right? Yes, you can
Yeah.
try that. Yes.
By the way, if you go to 5 minutes and you check CPR, because I had to work extremely late yesterday, so I was having the possibility to check the fresh CPR. It was for me like it was. So you see this. There is very high buy volume. It doesn't even touch the CPR pivot. So I was looking at it and was like, hell no, I'm not gonna enter. Of course, it would have been a nice trade, but for me, for my beginner eyes, it didn't look so. I was not so confident
Yes.
to enter.
But I'll enter another place, sir. Can you try? Can you?
Yeah, I
Show
know
where?
where you're gonna enter. Yeah, you're gonna do
Yes.
this, and
Yes,
yes,
sir.
you're gonna enter here. But I was so tired. I was like, at this point, I was like, fuck this coin. Now I need to go to sleep. I've been awake too long.
I'll try. I'll try it here, sir. Like, yeah, stop loss.
Yeah.
But yeah, in this case, if see here, they'll trap. For example, I'll try here. If the
Yeah.
candle come and close both of this, then on this day market will go down.
Yeah.
Again,
Yeah,
the
but you're
structure.
professional.
No,
You can
sir.
do that.
Yeah,
I'm not
sir.
yet a champion, so I need to practice a little bit.
No champion, sir. Nothing like I'll be sitting here. I'll find one good trade for myself.
Yeah.
Yesterday, like how we got and today, right? See, again, I
Mm.
don't. I'll wait for that setup. Earlier, I was making that mistake, sir, but now not now, sir. I missed this actually sell side, but no problem. I'll wait till here based on 1 hour. If the market comes in this area, then I'll hold for a swing if it comes here. But during US session, I'll see where is the structure. If it's the bull side, then I'll go for a long. But currently, the market is
Yeah.
downtrend on the smaller time frame. Until it can will not close above this, I don't go for any longs.
Yeah.
So simple. See,
That makes sense.
if the market close above this, they'll start making the sideways. For example, they don't understand what is happening here. So US session they'll come down. Many order block from there. So here all the liquidity they'll grab. But what I see, okay, the structure has shifted on the 5 minutes. Now this is my entry point. If it comes here, I'll join.
Mm.
This is my plan. Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you very much.
No problem, sir. My throat is paining more, sir. I don't know why.
You have been teaching so much.
It's
You have lost
raining,
your
sir.
voice.
Yeah, it's raining more, sir,
Ah.
here. That is the reason, and yeah. And I got some messages saying that yesterday, today is the last day or what? I said, where did I mention that? How can, how
No,
can directly,
not yet.
how can directly I can say, okay, today last day, bye. No, I'll talk with you. I'll sit with you. I'm not a businessman, sir. The part, yes. I getting
Don't
message,
leave
Prabha,
us.
today is the last day. Today is
Ah.
the last day. I said, what? Did I mention something wrong? Again I went and checked on the announcement. Did I mention? I said, no, sir. Where did I wrote the last? People. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, sir. SM, sir. You were telling something.
No, nothing important. Nothing important. Okay, good. Amazing the whole volume thing and the session thing. I just take some time to learn. Check
Yes,
like
of
how it
course,
really
sir.
works, because yeah, sometimes it will take the Asia low already in UK, like in this example with the Doge. So it took Asia low. So it
Okay.
will be interesting to see what will happen. But yeah, I think that it made really much sense when you're explaining that during the session, if it's rallying too much, the next session it will probably consolidate,
Correct.
and only after that it will run. So I think that that's kind of a understanding that and seeing that live, it will help a lot in this trading.
Correct. So now in your, like in everyone in their mind, now we have the Asia high, Asia low, correct?
Yes.
So Asia high, Asia low, we have here, and I'm telling you guys to ignore UK, plan for the US. So that is for US people. So who is a full-time trader? Why you are leaving that UK session trade setup, sir? First practice this, then you will understand how to trade with the UK. Even the UK will sweep. I'll take the trade. That yesterday I mentioned clearly that is for New York people. So for me, I'm not interested to take the trade during the UK session, sir. Seriously, I don't like to take the trade. When the market will be a good momentum during Asia, I'll ignore the UK, sir. But 90% chances are there during New York session, the market will be a volatile in the especially on gold. But you guys for 1 month, 2 months, just practice only Asia, UK, sir. Okay. Sorry, Asia, New York, US session. After that, you just jump into the UK, try how is the market is reacting. Directly don't trade UK, US, Asia. No, sir. Don't do that.
Most thanks, good Pramod.
Always like yawns are always he'll be biting his nails.
I'm nervous, mate.
Why, sir? Why?
No, I'm only joking.
Sir, before this, you can maybe get the straight there. Try once, okay? If it comes after 1 hour or 30 minutes, directly from here itself, you can try the long here with this stop loss below. Okay. If this go
Yeah.
above this, still valid. If it comes because the market is staying here, this works very nice. When it stay right, liquidity. So order block, we can try the trade here. Let's see how it can change the scenario. Let's see, sir. And even the 200 also rejecting at this place.
So if you go to the 1 hour Pramod,
Yes, sir.
so yeah. See, I was a bit cheeky, mate. I did a touch and go. I'm already in the trade.
Very nice. Very nice, sir. Very nice. Hold it, sir. Very nice.
My entry is literally on. You see this green wick there? That's my
Yeah.
entry.
Very nice,
Yes.
sir. Very nice, sir. Wow. Done, sir.
Perfect. Thank you, mate.
Thank you so much, sir. We'll meet UA session, guys.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Nice
sir.
session.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Later, buddy.
Take rest, sir, everyone.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank
thank you,
you.
sir. See you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Later.
Yeah.
See you
Thank you,
later.
Pramod.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Peace.
Yeah, sir.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Peace. See you later.
Bye-bye,
That's
sir.
amazing.
Yeah, peace.
Bye.
Yeah, mate.
Bye, sir.
Pramod.
Yeah,
Pramod,
sir. Yeah,
can
sir.
I ask you one